Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. Now today I am telling about you modern garden design ideas about important facts. When it's come to modern garden design ideas, there are few important fact to keep in the mind. These facts can help guide the design process and ensure that the end result is not only beautiful but also functional and sustainable. Here are some key facts to consider. Use of space. Modern garden design emphasizes the efficient use of space. This means making the most of the available area by incorporating functional features like sitting areas, outdoor kitchen, and fire pits. The goal is to create a space that is not only visually appealing but also serve as purpose. Number two is sustainability. Sustainability practice are key element of modern garden design. This can include the use of native plants, rainwater harvesting, and eco-friendly materials. Sustainable design not only benefits the environment but also ensures the garden is low maintenance and cost effective in the long run. So, material selection. The material used in the modern garden design, it can be used to highlight certain features, create a certain mode, can create a certain mood and extend the usability of these spaces into the evening hours. Lighting options can range from sub, subtle accents to dramatic statement pieces. Personal style. While modern garden design has certain key elements, it's important to remember the design should reflect the personal style and preferences of the homeowner. The design should be tailored to suit the needs and desire of the people who will be using the space. By keeping these important facts